So this is it. It's a newly built, modern pool, gym, everything. This is the parking. Yeah. We're still working. It's the elevator. Yeah, this is the bed seater right there. Yeah, right there. Yeah, family. So we're at again Loftel. We're showing our new guests the bed seater all over again like before. So let's do this. This is our Jamaican family, mother and daughter, big family in the US, 20 grandchildren and so much. So the whole entire family is coming. So we're just showing them the bed seater. One bedroom, two bedroom, three bedroom. It feels like a hotel, right? Yeah, it's like a hotel. I always say that. So luxury, like a hotel. Yeah. So,
So that balcony is inclusive of the laundry place. It has the provisions. Inside.
Yeah. Yeah, so these are like modern apartments. Yeah, it's very modern. Yeah, very good, very good. And this actually apartment as UN certified. So UN, person work at UN. Just said this apartment as UN certified. So UN person can live here. Person work at UN. Yeah. Yeah. And this is the bathroom.
Yeah, but it's a nice room. We'll put a sink in the mirror. They're ready to be installed. And then we'll fix this. This one.
Yeah.
Get in a burner.
Oh, sorry. Just that. Yeah, family. As I'm telling you before, family, this is like hotel style. Hotel style. One bedroom. So one bedroom, but it's like a 2-bedroom. Washing area right there.
Washing area right there. There's an elephant in the room. It's beautiful.
That's the bathroom.
Really nice. You just have to close it, that's easy. Put in the glass. You could do that yourself.
And there's a wash area right there.
And then you still have a balcony.
You still have a balcony. Yeah, you still have a balcony for this one, yeah.
You can chill there.
Yeah.
Does the sun get?
Yeah.
Does the sun get that?
Yeah, it does.
You
In the
sure?
morning, yeah. Because the sun rises from this side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's very nice. As I said, luxury hotel style. And it's new, so, you know, just yeah. This is
So
a
this
show.
area,
With your fridge.
does this have good renting potential?
Yes, man. Yeah, man, I'm telling you.
Rocker.
Yes, Rocker, yeah. Rocker is just like,
Can
you know.
you know you're not gonna get somewhere and then people not really come in.
Yeah, man, as I said, in Kembu is like where all foreigners stay. That's where you get everything that you want. So the UN people, everybody stay around here.
Okay, then
Yeah. So that's where you find most foreigners, and that's where. And this is this apartment, as you can see, it's up to standard. It's modern.
Yeah.
And the problem most people have in Kenya is that the apartment is not so modern. You know, so if you can get something like this, it feels like you're in a hotel. Yeah, and everything. Yeah. Mm.
If you purchase and it can resell, right?
Yes. And now is the perfect time because it's kind of off plan. It will finish in when? February?
February.
Yeah, so now is the perfect time to, and we have like 80% sold already.
80% sold.
Yeah. So for you to get something now, we'll have to check and see if any are available. How much is it going for?
This is 5.5 installments, 5 million cash.
That's like 40,000 US, right?
Yes.
40,000.
5.5.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mm.
And then the sitter, the hotel.
The bed seat, the bed seater.
3.1 cash, 3.5 installments.
3.1 cash.
So that's like 20 US, 20,000. Mm.
5.5. 5.5 versus.
So it's
5 hotel rented?
No, but I would prefer to get this than the
For rent, for hotel. Why?
because it's more, it can carry a family.
yeah, and it's a 1 bedroom. And you see, it's big. You see the privacy there, so.
And see everything around.
Yeah.
In a hotel, do you worry about that when you go in there to stay temporarily? It's short-term lease, not long-term. You don't want them to come and live. You want them to come and get out. Like in a hotel.
Yes, but I still.
Oh, you prefer that?
yeah.
I prefer the one seat.
Yeah, the 1 seat, like people just come for a short time. Come and go.
In a hotel, I don't care
Yeah.
who's looking at me when I come home.
Just
What
a short
about-
stay.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
short stay. And that's where you want to go. Short stay. Don't stay too long. They might not want to leave.
But if you don't know, you make more money, you're paying as long as it's-
Yeah, like at this.
They won't care still. Okay, let me go into my app here. You said 5 point. This one is 5.5
5 installments.
And 5 million cash.
cash. The other one is 3.1
1 cash.
cash. 5 and 3.1. I didn't think. Okay, so.
You're gonna catalogs. Different.
Yeah, we'll go to the office, so you'll see all of them.
And does it come furnished?
No.
Does it come with the furniture?
That's
No.
Okay.
All right, let's go to the 2 bedroom.
2 bed.
2 bed.
Somebody could sleep in the chair where they
Yeah.
A pull chair.
Yeah, and those bed chair.
Yeah?
You prefer this one?
Yeah.
To the alone?
Sorry?
You prefer this one to the bed sitter?
To the bed sitter.
Mm-hmm.
Prefer this one to the bed sitter.
Which one?
Definitely.
This one.
Yeah, family. So as you can see, our family are very excited about this. So this is the 2-bedroom. 2-bedroom.
This is the bed seat.
Oh, bed seat. Okay.
This is the bed seat.
Yeah.
It's nice though.
You like it?
It's nice, but like you said, she's a 1-bedroom, so.
Wow. This is what you want, Grandma. This is what you want for the family. So apart, yeah? So apart. Wow. This is big. Yes, look at it. Wow.
So you just put in your enclosure.
Put everything, yeah, and it's so big, yeah?
Put in your enclosure.
Yeah.
For the shower. And it's a massive shower.
Massive, yeah.
Balcony, 2 balconies.
Yeah, this one has 2 balconies, and that's the beauty with this one.
3 balconies.
So even if you have this as an Airbnb, it can be like 2 private rooms.
Yeah.
You can set it up as that, like
All
2
of them are
private.
in suite?
Yeah, yeah, everything is in
Outside
suite.
suites.
Yeah,
All of them, the 2 bedrooms? No. This one.
The other one shares.
share, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
So like if you step in here in your kids, you can put something like a glass here. So that you block your kids from maybe falling. Then you do a glass carpet.
Yeah. And this is the bathroom here. Yeah, I think this is this is like the way the washroom for you too. The basin, Yeah, they're gonna put it in. Yeah, for the basin. Yeah.
I was thinking I could use it.
Laundry right there.
So this is the washroom, and then they're gonna put the basin outside.
Yeah, the basin will be right here, and then
The laundry provision to put in the glass enclosure.
yeah.
Okay.
It's nice.
It's the kitchen right there.
I love the kitchen.
Yeah, the kitchen is big.
I like the kitchen.
Yeah.
Why didn't they do double sink?
Double sink. Why did you do double sink for this one?
That is the one that was shipped, so we could not take it.
But the others are double sink.
No.
No, okay.
Just this.
That's good. But you can always change if you want, I
But
guess.
it's Korean, you can't break that to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if we make it double, it will be too tiny.
Ah, okay. Yeah. So you guys want to see the 3-bedroom?
To look at it.
Yeah.
Just to look at it. So 9.9 for the
Yeah.
2-bedroom.
We see another type.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is another. Yes, ma'am. So you like it? You love it.
So maintenance-wise?
Maintenance-wise, I think we'll go to the office and there's somebody here in the office to explain everything. Yeah.
We have another type of a 2-bedroom.
Yeah, this one is a little bit cheaper than this one.
This is 8 million cash.
8 million cash. Yeah, 8 million cash. In US, that's like maybe 60, 70. This one is a little bit smaller. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's still decent. Yeah. It's still a good size. Yeah.
I've seen small.
Yeah.
And it should be smaller.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just an extra closet.
So this
Yeah, this is the master.
Just need to enclose.
So this is a smaller part.
Yes.
one is this is a here says the washroom. Still have a little nice little breeze there. Yeah, yeah, you can even yeah.
It's nice.
We can move into a 3-bedroom.
3-bedroom. Yeah, family. So let's go and see a 3-bedroom. This one is to the nature. This one is to the nature. Nature. Yeah, you're doing.
Looking at nature.
Are you looking at nature? Yeah. So nice.
Really nice.
Really nice. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Look at the view. Wake up to this. Trust me. Yeah.
Some green.
Yeah.
Wow. Green. Wow. This is it.
This is nice to wake up
Must think, you know, see when you're in a new place and you're waking up to this, it's good. But when you're in an old place and waking up to this, it's not so good. Yeah, that's the magic with this. Yeah, one goes on the trees. Yeah.
Which one? I thought laundry was somewhere. Okay.
This is the kitchen.
Huh? Yeah.
I mean, I thought it was like the other one. I was looking for this straight.
Straight, yeah. The design is so different. Every room is designed different. This one is where the wash area, right?
Yeah, wash area.
So this is the wash area, grandmama.
This is the shared washroom.
Shared washroom.
Another bedroom.
Yeah. Another room.
Looking at green.
Yeah. Lot of greenery. Wow.
This is for a big family.
Yeah.
Look at the holidays over there. You just call on somebody saying, throw some away. Hey, give me some corn.
Yeah. Yeah. Heading to the master. Let's look at the master bedroom. The master. The master. The master bedroom.
This is 10.5 cash.
10.5 cash. Alright.
8, 9, 10.
Alright. So what we can do, we can go to the office now and then, you know, we can see, break down the terms. If you want installment cash, you know. Yeah, family. So as you can see, guys, you know, they actually love this apartment. I know how it stay. So, Dang is there working out. Hey Dang, how you doing, man? Happy New Year. Yeah. Yeah, family. It's the avocado tree. Yeah. Thank you, Susan.
That's probably for 3 or 2 bedrooms.
Oh, yeah.
Bedrooms are only 11.
Oh, only 11. Okay. All right, look at the view. You see Two Rivers Mall right there.
Which is that?
Two Rivers Mall. Pass it with the big.
Oh,
thing.
yeah.
Two Rivers Mall, yeah. Two Rivers Mall.
That's the furnace.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So we're heading to look at a 1-bedroom and 8th floor. And you know, our Jamaican family like the view. They want to wake up and look at the view, just like when you're in Jamaica, in Jack's Hill and Strawberry Hill. So the view. Yeah. 1 bedroom, yeah. The studio. Yeah, the studio, yeah. That's good for Airbnb. But even the 1 bedroom, you can get like full-time tenant. Like if you want somebody full-time, you know, short term. Okay, short term, yeah. Yeah, you get more money from short term, yeah.
That's what I was saying.
Yeah.
The one is nice if you want to live in it.
Yeah.
For purposes, it's
Studio, yeah, just investment, yeah. And how many studios we have available now?
Studios.
Can they go very, very fast? Only 30.
And the 9th floor, right? You have available on the 9th?
Yes. See?
Yeah.
Told you.
Yeah.
That's what I heard. 9th floor studio. What do you hear?
It'll be how much?
For studio. 3,000.
Yeah. But you can make it be more than that, like 40, 50 US per night. Depends on what you have in it and how you set it up. And the amenities that you offer. Yeah. Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah, family. So you know what I mean. And that's the thing, as a foreigner coming into Kenya, these are the investments.
We're just looking at the view for the 1 bedroom.
Okay. Yeah. What's the specific units?
Yeah. So, you know, a lot of people coming now, they're going to come to the city to look for opportunity. And that's where the business and stuff are. So you have to come to the city. So you will need a place to stay. Yeah. Yeah, family. So this is a 1 bedroom on the 8th floor. Okay, and this is the view. Yeah, the view is good, yeah. Yeah. Over there says what, 3 bedroom?
2 bedroom and 3 bedroom.
2 bedroom. Okay, that block. Okay. 2 bedroom. Yeah.
I'm sure that the mark on the pressure, you said.
This is the 1 bedroom. It's big. The bathroom.
So we get the pin. So if we invest here, if we invest and get a pin, how does that work? Like in terms of.
All right. So
now, like 8th or 9th floor, 8th or 9th floor. Like the higher floor.
yeah.
8th or 9th floor.
You remember you're going to go.
Yeah.
The wind.
No, but it's
Yeah.
the studio, if we're going to consider versus the 1 bedroom, if we're going to do 2 of those.
Okay, one each.
Yeah, you want to do one studio each? Okay, 1 studio each. Okay, perfect. There also is a rooftop. Again, if you go up top. Yeah, for hanging clothes. Okay.
Because of this weight, we could not make something up there maybe for chilling.
They could blow, let's go up there and blow that way.
Yeah.
I'm scared of heights.
Yeah.
Yeah, family. So that is it. As you can see, the bed seater is what, you know, is going like hot bread, hot cake.
Either on 8 or 9.
What's the vegetarian?
9.
9.
Yes. Yes, I prefer 9.
No, I did not check
8 or
exactly
9. 8 or 9.
which one is available, but we can see any.
Yeah.
This is my brother here, say him love Jamaican food.
Yeah?
Love Jamaican food.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. So there's a restaurant in Westlands called Jamrock.
Ah,
Yeah, they cook Jamaican food, so we'll check it out.
it's good. It's good.
Yeah.
Good food.
I haven't tried it before,
Yeah.
but you know, it should be good.
Yeah.
It's from Jamaica. It's a Jamaican.
Okay.
Yeah, family. This is.
Maybe you want something. So this is
Another 1 bedroom. 1 bedroom on 9th floor. Huh?
We are assuming this is a unit on 9th floor, but I'm not saying specifically this one. You can choose another unit is available, but this is the view.
Oh, this is the view. Okay, bed seater.
For the bed sitter.
Yeah. Oh, the bed seater. This is the view from here. This is the view from here. On the 9th floor.
This is
Yeah, that's Zayton.
What is it called?
Satan.
Satan. Satan.
It's a developer.
SYTO.
Okay.
Very good.
So this is the bed seater. The bathroom. Bathroom is pretty.
It's really nice if they block off the place.
Yeah, they put on a glass and stuff.
But if they not put.
Or you can do that if you buy it. You purchase it, you can set it how you want to set it inside.
Okay.
You can fix the interior.
Glass in?
Well, ask her.
Yeah.
Will they put the glass in the bathroom? Glass. But if they want, they can.
In case it.
But if you want,
You can.
So I could get it for myself.
Yeah, you could do it for yourself. Yeah. And you could maybe use the same engineer to do it, the person who put it in and stuff.
Yeah.
To do it for you. Yeah, because they have it in the 3-bedroom, right?
yes.
Yeah, it's glass. Yeah, it's in the 3-bedroom.
Okay, so you could use 3
Yeah.
Yeah, that would make it. Yeah.
Okay.
So when you go back to the office, and they go to identify the specific unit, but at least you have seen the view.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Use this stairs here. We use the lift.
Yeah, this is okay. All right, family. So you see it for yourself. You see it with your 2 eyes. You see how Kenya is coming alive and coming well. And the jam towards Africa is on the ground, showing you the better side of Africa. Don't watch us. Come and join us here. Okay, so you guys going to be side by side? Side by side. So 9th floor, side by side. These 2.
10 and this is 9.
Yeah.
9 and 10.
9 and 10.
I'm telling you, man, it doesn't get better than that.
CD 9 or 9. CD 9 10.
Huh?
Oh, the restroom, yes.
The
Yes,
restroom.
yeah.
It's right there. Right there.
Here.
After the sink.
Right there.
Alright, we're gonna feed you after this.
Yeah, I'm hungry, man. Can we go?
It's coming.
Yeah.
You're going to block me to see another person.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So, I think we'll do full cash,
Yes.
but we want a bit of praise on that 3.1.
I can give 3.05 by 2. 3.05 million per unit.
Result being, we are taking 2 units.
Yes. So I can do the total 100,000 discount.
We're thinking of more 2.9.
2.9 is impossible.
Yeah.
Which floor you want? Which floor?
9th floor.
Left floor now. If you first floor, we can talk. First floor, I can give 3 million. But the ninth floor, people prefer better fit. High floor, for those other property called cytology,
Yeah.
cytol. They are every floor, they add 20,000. But we are the same price. But just higher floor, not too much negotiable. But what I can give you is the from 3.1 to 3.05. Then talk to the talk can be 27,000 per month.
27,000
for rental and furniture. And furniture. For this Airbnb can be the per night. 3K per night. Airbnb.
And it can be more. It's just that's just the.
Yes, because we apply for even approval. Not even approval. You approval from here to UN office just 4 kilometers. Kenya have the UN office in all the earth only have 3 UN office. Kenya is one of it. Another one is in New York. Another one is in Switzerland and another one is in Kenya. So from here to the biggest UN office just 4 kilometers. Those have almost 10,000. 100,000 more people from world come to work in here. So we apply for this one. This even approval say it is the higher standard, living standard that even people can live here. So even people will pay rental for $1 something you buy for investment. They will be much more than this one. But this one, yes, 8 to 9 years. The money will be come back for investment. This and furniture. The furniture can be 40,000 more.
You're saying you including furniture 27,000?
No, without.
Without.
And furniture. Furniture can be 40,000.
If you furnish it.
Because of in Kenya, furnishing is very expensive. Sofa 20,000, bed 100,000, for another dining table something. So you buy for them, they will use for free. They pay more for you. If you don't buy anything for them, but here we have full fitted kitchen. Full fitted the washroom, TV wall additions. So they just need to buy the bed, something. They can live inside.
Let's close it at 2.95.
You want 9 floor, no? You want 9 floor. We only have 20 units. The total we have 136 units, 2 bedroom, basic. But now we only have 20 units remaining. You see, all sticker are sold.
Yeah, all stick.
So we cannot.
So the sticker there.
I'm sure you can. Talk to someone. Talk to someone.
You ask a question. When do you have? This week.
Less than 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
Can you pay this week?
Sorry?
This week. Can you pay this week?
Maybe not everything. But
Next week.
Huh?
Next week.
This week.
Yes.
You know, it should be the 6.2 million, yes. The price should be 6.2 million. I want to give 6.1, but you said to this one, I give 6.05 million.
It will be by next week.
Yes. 6.5 million.
Okay.
If by this week, I give 6 million.
If by this week.
Because no, listen to me.
No.
Listen to me. There's another client who will pay Friday, buy for you with the full cash.
Yeah.
We give them 3 million per unit.
Yeah.
So if you pay this week, I can talk to my boss, you buy with them together. You understand?
Okay, I see. A bundle. Yeah, what happened is that you send another client by 4 bed theta paying by Friday. Yeah. So if you guys can pay, you will bundle them together and then you get a discount because
Yeah,
yeah.
but that becomes you know how it goes with
we have to put the money together.
Yes,
I mean,
Friday you have 4 days.
Sorry?
From Thursday to Friday you have 4 days. 4 days not enough?
This Friday or next week?
This Friday.
No, this Friday is only 2 days.
4 days, Thursday, Tuesday.
No.
2 days.
Tuesday, Thursday, 4 days. 4 days not enough? If I say that 5 days. Not enough.
We have to.
We'll see.
What we can do, then we'll talk to the bank.
and see
Yes.
whether they can get the transfer as soon as possible. If
Yes.
we can do it, okay. If not possible,
Next week.
it has to be next week.
They can pay
But-
some.
but-
No. Listen to me.
But 3 is okay, no problem.
You don't need to pay full amount. You can pay, for example, total is 6 million. You pay 2 million, 3 million this week. Next week pay another 2 million, 3 million.
Okay, we'll talk about it.
Yes.
Yeah.
What by doing is so I will take two for that.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So if we can pay for 1 unit this week, we still get the
If
6.
they can bundle it together, what bundle together?
What you can do is
That's what he's saying. That's what he's saying.
You said-
He said you don't have to pay everything.
Yeah.
So we put that
You pay 2 million, 3 million, yes.
Yes. Okay, so as
But
long
this
as we
we
put
can
a
show
down payment, we
commitment.
still get it. If we put a down payment this week, we still get it for 6 million.
But you have to pay balance next week.
Yes.
No problem.
Okay, so we'll think about that.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Then you pay full on this one. This is very good house. This already very good discount. So, this hospital there.
Yeah.
Do you they told you hospital and shopping mall there. Let me tell you.
It's called what?
What's the name of it?